Sesien ku beli shibun ni pisia ki ba baju pet ya ka channel ka jonga mah te matas ni pria subha yang ipi syakali ka video tmai ba matas ni te matas ni kamlong compare ka video matas ni namar ba matas ni ngalet ya ka general council ka jongi ka RBF ini way di member jongi long men jonga hi te mai tin ya da ka ambulans ka ba pi yang ne te ngate ka kali jonga te ra ukiban mah tu para jonga ba pek ya vlog jonga te kitip bade kiban di mano te lara mau te nga shona kali jong sketri jong ka RBF nang po Berembang Circle te mentangin hap wat saya ketika ayu ya kan ka ya utolai bante ini lama po kali te mentang wat saya kita tedap natu dengan mentang ngidangnya api gini ki member jongi ini po ayu tama ni po State Bank te dat natu ngnya up ya kini dep to da up to nglet chaka office jong keseng RBF jongi ni po Eastern Zone natu nglet langkat sana po. So I'll see you guys after some time mah. Di pagba mentang ila ya cepo yu mah cepo nompo karena ka general council jongi baong jong RBF te mentang dan bagi presiden jong ka Berembang Circle jongi barpai no biang balik rag presiden jongi te dari nga vice presiden mah sekretari nya kali te presiden ni kam balik rag dari ba yu di parya mah ni presiden jongi te betul mentasi balik kita lagi ni member juga unit Eru te beta ngasyo kali jong member nomor kali jong ngalai unit mah kinya mki kena jong ka unit nomor presiden una sacrifice mah sta ka unit ri bekerja bener mah te takada ngalai ya ka unit te menta apa nya ngasyo kali jong member nya let cenompok menta nya di basketry saya basketry lain hadir ni I'll see you guys afterwards mah de menta ngila apa ini pok nempok ngila ben ipek di kali stadium ngaru stay di RBF sudah mah impat poe rasa min nempok teh menta ngan gedoi PWay center member jongi iba spirit hing golong pamen jonga central member jongi try biar semua bare nomor ba kesau ini belajar dua pelat sampai hai teman-teman kidangnya yang hani yang balik sinongpo te upedo akiru lah penuan try menta dan hajem dan wan lang sebenarnya bangi ya syong lang hati ya ngat peni pi sebet po general council dan nato ngat peni pi ba yu ba ngalit biang senong ngat peni ba iris kali po senong iris bite apo senong jingi tempo Berembang kata ai sebet nemit ka quality rukan flop namar ba lamit nama tamba kan yu ngat peni pi ketika ba ya le racing apo Berembang te kata ai I'll see you guys dalam apa biang nong apo paham siam mah bye bye te mentang ila poe ne po nongpo pila islian chonga sathi ki bun ki member ki kumto ma member jong RBF te mentang idam ne po general council kembang omene te ngindong si spo ngan actually ngadang api padu aki ma banwan lang mat padu aki ru ka bandrong si spo te dibuiwan padu aki pila bani i vlog te nomor ba artap sakawai ba ngin yalit lang si spo Berembang badan tukar racing ka bike racing competition mah untuk ka jong MRF tengin lang sathi tak ada padu akirin wan lang ni te lada iwan ngan peni pi vlog nam wan te ngan peni pi ni niat ngan peni pi sathi mah see you guys afterwards te menta padu aki lawan vlog like you came for the RBF thing respect for that bro te ipadu lawan menta dap nani ngilech po Berembang satu ka MRF I think I don't know his name MRF
like a cross motor
racing
motocross racing something
tengin let sa sathi Min finish bit by jump ki bite kum to. A lot of bites are jumping yesterday.
Yeah, I saw. You sent me
that,
some videos.
that was practice, but today it's like it's real. Ting lit pet ya kato, manta lit siya meeting, padu siya meeting lang buat ni. Tedap na to pat, nas ni people baru bang mah. I'll see you guys afterwards. Te baklaring mana ang ban ring naka back camera tambah ida ka front te perbangannya itu ngai iya ka traditional dress jong ka riboy ke jong ni mah te kla ban i indai ka jansam baik kar kombriam ni kane ka ngai ka traditional dress jong ki boy ke jong ni te ki senrang pila ban i ni ini kar kombriam di senrang ka dei kom ni kam ka compare khandiat ka riam jong baro ki sop tribe jong ka rikasi ke jongi oh ni ki boy ngi de kasi mah karya mong penaruh boy war ngi de pai kasi waya tang balong ba kato ka de ka traditional dress jong ki boy ngarang song po meeting ai kum to tengah i kini siap ki shot ai kum to kadang wan ring la kering vlog ne mah de kata he ngan sa pani be sibet da dan konten ai mah te mentang idang mi na ne namar balai ki dan ki perok ki jongi ki ba sakot mah te khun jong a pila ban ong khun jong men jong a mah me bate ki di ki perok ke jong te mata kas ngiru ba ngilik buat setei padu ru I warlang bat ngi I Mr. Padu Aki
Remember your push-up.
Sate padu te mata ngilik chao shoy kita Dem to in rong beng sa thi ngaklam pani phi ka to ka iu ma let's say phi ong ba ka khamlong boring itu ngaklam pani ka meeting I kum to tang ba ki boss jong ngai thu phi I ba people thank you mo lai kran to ki ai kai men sia mi ngi ka kum kran jong ni te pat ba kumba nga I thu I podo aki mun sama apa Arsenal live na mun chwa kham rekho ha pat benta se de ju try podo aki
What is it?
I'm saying like the Padu Aki I knew back then. Is it still the Padu Aki with your huge muscles? Show your muscles.
No, it's not. It's small. It's small. But the thing is that suki. First of all, it's suki. And the second thing is that remember do your push-up. Remember to do your.
Like
push-up.
You have a promise that like you guys have an agreement that they have to do a push-up, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah, how many push-ups do you want me to do?
100.
Nah, bro, I can't do 100. I can do 50 though.
Oh, 50.
Yeah.
That is good.
Yeah.
You want to show me?
Right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, let me try then.
Let's do 50 push-up. 50.
No,
You
no,
can
no.
do 50. You can do 50.
Yeah. Let me try. I don't think I can do it right now, but let's see how much I can do.
Oh,
Okay, ta.
let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32,
Hey, wait a bit.
Hey,
Just this
30.
one.
Okay, 32, 32, 33, 34, 34, 35,
Hey!
36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! Oh, got it, bro. You got it, bro. Wow.
Hadin nang tangi dan po Eastern Zone iba lamprang rempey na bansan unit
Eastern Zone juga ya.
Round it, Pak Hoping Stone Marbanyang, mapunta
Ya Pak ya.
Dalam terang lempeng, namun saya kita sakti bajur dengan Pak ini. Backstar Musli. Nathan Simli. Takti Zaki. Legend. Pak Plus Teroy Lendo.
Come on Pak.
Di Pak pi matasi akla padu aki mga syong ha uto jong padu. Te ngila si spo borombong mo. Spo caka balik racing ngila lang ikong. Bai Elena. Say hi to the vlog Elena. Hi. Oh hi. Dan kitia. Te Elena dan kitia tak kenal idang long. Cũng tạm ơi đang lo xong thiạ thôi như đấy thì bắt đầu aki đang lệch si pisana bang te matangi na mane ngong banyak na mga tong ba menang ra
Pinang sa nya uto.
ngam nang ra thrai ne nang ne o chap gian na ne
Eh? Katu ka de ka
Clutch.
Clutch.
te ugia apa deh
Gear ti.
ma new brake ne asal tu new clutch
Ay mo te.
oh ni ugia em
Itu gear hoy.
ugia angan na te lokom scooter ay kan tapos yung ka brake ka dan scooter na ka angan Aki ya dan. Te padu aki lawan menta. Te will go to Borombong. I'll see you guys in Borombong. Actually, kadai ka first time yang hani po auto jong padu aki. Asyong bay
Original one.
Yeah, original one. The OG auto.
Oh, OG auto.
Tamo sadly it's not golden anymore.
Yeah, not that's what.
Okay. Then I'll see you guys in Borombong mo. Bye bye. Guys, tell me. Handsome name padu aki.
Yeah.
Right. Pati guys, kumat. Wow.
Yeah, so the thing is that the future is bright.
Ay.
And then the second thing is that these classes,
Yeah.
you can aim for the moon.
Yeah.
When you aim for the moon,
Yeah.
you may get to the stars.
Then paiba sa mga pima. Handsome name padu. Ngatang ako handsome ni. He's very handsome with this. So, sa ako mapisya ko lang.
พี่อับเชยอุตยบรรจักอีไม่กุมตุชบีหอย
Dunia.
em dire ab شه unda ja شه tu bastem ang te pi tu bastem
Ni.
em tu wes te shiliang tu la kod hoi la ja te start kin yang te tan yo te
Ni.
em tu wei hoi piap khrwai ikan nero ya uner piap khrwai uner khrwai ya kan ne
Antap siya neutral dito. Ah, umday na to neutral. To ni.
em khrwai bi kan ne khrwai ikan ne piap nyon tu besau
Ya kan ni.
em yo uner shaknyot tan hoi
Ha.
nyon bat tu besau hoi em tu wes te shiliang hoi tu shiliang hoi tu hoi tan kan
Belum.
Tan kan? Piap tan ha. Pilak keruat, film keruat tadi kena. Ha, keruat tu tadi kena. So. Tak kan minta iba amunik mo. Ini ya ke auto. Oh, tu ish. Tas iba amunik ini ya auto. Jom padu aki. Pinang mo. Davis ngobang.
Subaka. Tanya auto na first time. I'm actually driving your auto, brother.
Shem.
Kau nak buat pelip kan ni buat?
Em baik kum tu baik. Ha.
Guys, first time nya auto tamam tip ran pelip kau nak buat. Ni ngan am dai padu aki mentan, batai padu aki non pelip start lanang nya lanang
Tapi
terbang.
pernah ben ketum lele lah.
Dang don ha. Oh. Tak. Nah, I just started today.
I taught him.
She taught me actually. Your wife taught me how to drive. Yeah, you taught your wife and your wife is teaching me. She's a very good teacher actually. Te ngamata kalau anak punya kali kay kong. Hindi kay pado aki kay kong. Ikaw kay man start man ero. So, man pelit menit right.
Oo, yang to.
Yes, betul anak man pelit bro. The guy who jumped from that stage. I think it's not in.
Oh yeah.
Padu langsung shit. Okay. You need to buy Elena a bike.
I have to buy one.
Yeah, she likes that bike a lot. Even right now, she's looking at bikes.
And I tell you the one truth.
Yeah, which one?
The Finnish people, we are one of the best in the motorsport. If you don't believe, you can just just Google it.
Not only on bikes, but like those
The rally,
yeah,
Formula. We are one of the best in the world.
The rally thing, like Finnish people always come, like first, second, like mostly Finnish people. I really watch rally, like Polo GT and stuff like that.
You just Google Kalle Rovanperä. What's that? Kalle Rovanperä. He's a future. He's very good.
And that's also a future, you know.
Oh yeah.
That little kid.
This kind of bike.
Baba, hey, kabait yung pina kan eh? Pinya pi mana? Pi job ni am. Long makan no. Pi long makan no. Long basan. Long basipau. Oh, staya kabait pi deh.
5 years old.
Pilanya abait Islam. Lakana senam pilanya. San senam.
Here's your bike now. Like that now. That is your size of bike.
Oh, staya kabait. So nya abait mah. Nice kemat dan bak ban job mah. Elina pi tenat kan ya eh? Kun pi na?
Wow, Elena.
Wow.
Go.
Hey. Kena berit ng South on Snam lah abad. Gini long legend nih gini ru.
Graduated
berteng ngono bi? Jaden. Job nak ngono bi? Ada layo price. Bisa saya bi. Sampai nanti rasa YouTube mah. Oh hi guys. Oh hi guys. Oh good job. Te guys, ngayon pa ni pitang kandidat ya ka ayu mah ya ka racing igom to te ka racing ru kalakot te try da pi ngam ta pi try ngan sa untuk try te ngan bikot na video ane ngan pi dan blade nerkat berpi pinya shot pinya klanya igom to. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye bye.